So we just will remove this one, unscrew it. Okay, then this one out. This is perfect for this tap. So we got other different settings, so we can try which one goes, but mostly this one is good. Yeah, that's good. So keep it there, unscrew this, put it in. The screws in. Perfect. Okay. Double thumbs up. You can do that. Then the shower. Then when you turn to ionize, the water will come through that. So that's the arrow water which is going in. So unscrew this. Push this through into it. That then goes into this. Then screw it back. Then this is water which is coming out, the acidic water. That goes to the out pipe. This will be acidic water. Now we're going to put the enhancer in the compound here. Slide and remove it. Then to remove, then just pull straight. It's out. We're ready. So you don't waste it. And switch it on.
Powering on. Kangen Water 8.5. Kangen Water 9.0. Kangen Water 9.5.
Tap.
Kangen Water 9.5.
First the acidic one comes out and then from the top hose you're going to get 8.5 to 9.5 water, and the bottom will be beauty water from here. The same thing goes the other way around. When you press the beauty water there, the top will be beauty water and the bottom you can get it okay water. But when you press the strong acidic water button here, the bottom hose is going to be strong acidic and this is going to be strong alkaline. And clean water, when you press both, will be clean water. So strong alkaline water is very essential for, you can fill it up in this one, use it for mouthwash, sanitizer, for acne, for skin diseases, you can use this one. And beauty water, store it here and just spray it in the face and be beautiful.